Loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ariana, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a review about the Nano Extra White Soap. If you have been seeing this soap in the market before, you've heard a lot of people say they use Nano Extra White Soap and you don't know much about this soap, you're not sure if it works or not. Actually sit back and let me give you guys a beautiful review about this bar soap. I'm actually holding two different ones on my hand and they look very similar but very different, but they are still Nano Extra White Soap. If you look at this one closely, you will see it is written 4-in-1, but when you look at this one, there is no 4-in-1 in it, but this 4-in-1 contains papaya, carrot, abutin, and orange. That's what it contains. That's the reason why it's called 4-in-1. But this one just contains papaya and carrot. That's the difference. And I've actually seen this one once, and that was when I bought it. And since then, I've not seen it yet in the supermarket. So Nano Extra White Soap actually produces different kind of soap, though there is a lot of fake of this product in the market. So when you are buying it, you need to be sure you're not getting the fake. And the honest way I know which is the fake and the original is quite funny, and that is when I buy this soap, I perceive it like this. If it doesn't smell like carrot or smell like something that contains carrot and papaya, I will not buy it. Funny enough, the fake of this soap, when you perceive it like this, you are going to be perceiving something like a soap for washing clothes. When you perceive the fake one, that is how it smells like. So that's how I've been differentiating this soap, because I've actually looked through the packaging of the one that I say it smells like soap for washing compared to this one that smells like carrots and papaya. I didn't see any single difference in the packaging, but just that smell was the only thing I actually noticed that was different. That's when you are buying it from a cosmetic shop. So because even when you open it, they will not let you use it, and that's the second way I know which is the fake and the original. When you buy the original Nano Extra White Soap, when you're using it to base, you are going to be seeing the orange color of the soap is pouring out. The orange color of the soap is pouring out. But when you buy the fake, when you're using it to bathe, you're going to be seeing a white foamy substance coming out of it. And that's the second way I know which is the fake and the original. So anytime I buy that one that seems like a soap for washing clothes, it will never have that orange foamy color coming out of it. But anytime I buy the original one, the moment I use it to bathe, I see that orange foam coming out of it. So that's actually the way I know which is the fake and the original. I know there are other people that have different way they know which is the fake and the original, but this one has actually been working well for me, and with that I don't buy the fake. If I buy it in a supermarket, you won't even know when I'll just do it. I'll just put it in my nose like this and perceive it, and if it doesn't smell like that, I will not buy it. So make sure you don't buy the fake. The fake is very common. This soap is sold for around 1,800 naira to 2,000 naira, so it's not an expensive soap. It does not cost that much. Now let's talk properly about what this soap do. One of them contains carrot, papaya, abutin, and orange. You can see this is the one that contains it. So this one lightens the skin more than this one. When I use this very one, this 4-in-1, it lightens my skin more than this very one, but this one is still a lightening soap. So I think this is a new one. I've not been seeing it much in supermarkets. So now this soap is a lightening soap in general. When you are buying it, just put up your mind that this soap is going to really brighten up my skin. For some people, everybody's skin is different. For some people, they might not notice a really 2 to 3 shade lighter on their skin, but definitely you will notice up to a shade lighter in your skin. You will notice there is a difference in your skin color. Another thing about this Nano Extra White Soap is that it's going to help to clear your dark spots. If you have dark spots on your body or on your face, this soap is going to help to fade it out. I'm not even joking about it when I say it clears dark spots. It really clears dark spots. I've seen a lot of products that will tell you that, oh, it will clear your dark spot, but at the end of the day, the product will not clear your dark spot. Nano Extra White is that one product that will clear your dark spots. And if you have it on your face and on your body, it's going to clear it, because this is a face and body soap. You can use it on your face and your body, and it is a very nice mild soap. It's not too sensitive on the skin, but I know some people will definitely react to this soap. But honestly, majority of the people that have used this soap can testify that this soap is not too sensitive on the skin like that. So that is for your dark spots. And again, acne, this soap will help to clear your acne. But when it comes to sunburn and hyperpigmentation, when I mean sunburn, sometimes you expose your skin to sun too much, and again, you might be using some over lightening product that ends up causing sunburn to your skin. Only this soap will not work on that. Only this soap, even if I tell you now that this soap works for sunburn and hyperpigmentation, only this soap will not work for it. But when you buy other skincare product that helps with sunburn and hyperpigmentation, maybe a tube cream, a normal cream for those things, and you're looking for a soap to add to it, you can add the Nano Extra White to it. The Nano Extra White soap, when you add it to that type of combo for your sunburn and hyperpigmentation, you will really get your results faster. So if you are someone that wants to maintain your skin, you don't want your skin to look lighter or go a shade lighter than its original color, but you still want your skin to look bright and glowy, then you combine this soap with another soap. You don't need to use this soap every single day. You don't need to use it morning and evening. You can decide to use it only at night, or you can decide to use it maybe like 4 times in a week. Then you combine it with another mild soap. Maybe you're using like a Dove bar soap or other soap that does not brighten up the skin that much. You can definitely add this soap to it, and then with that combo you're going to be getting a good result. This soap will not just lighten up your skin fast or see the result of having a shade lighter. When you combine it with another mild soap, then you're going to be getting your skin on the same level it is. It's not going to lighten up your skin in that way compared to somebody who is using this soap morning and evening, because when you use this soap every day, that's when you see the result faster. So the most important thing I'm going to say about this soap is that this is a lightening soap. I've already said that before. But when you are using it, make sure you are using it with your sunscreen. If you don't use this soap with your sunscreen, you might expose your skin to sunburn. Some people's skin are so sensitive that the moment they apply anything lightening or anything that will just take their skin a shade lighter, they experience sunburn from it. So make sure that you're always using your sunscreen. Even if you're not using this product in the morning and you use it only at night, the next morning, whatever product you apply on your skin, ensure you use your sunscreen, because this is product that is in your skin, so it's still working on your skin. So make sure you use your sunscreen every single morning when using the Nano Extra White Bar Soap. If you actually use this soap this way, you're going to get a good result. And this is a very beautiful soap, a very nice soap that this is my all-time favorite soap. I've used this soap for the longest of time. If I decide to keep the carton of this soap in my house, I will have like maybe up to 50 or more carton of this soap in my house, because this is my all-time favorite soap and it's very effective in brightening the skin. And even if you have scar on your skin, this product will easily clear up that scar. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified first anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.